Another interesting problem. Here are two circles. This is small circle with center A, and this is bigger circle with center B. Radius of bigger circle is capital R, and radius of small circle is small r. This is the common tangent to this circle. These two circles touches externally. When those two circle touches from outside, then it's called touches externally. When small circle is inside the bigger circle, then they touches internally. Okay, so this is the just for idea. So come to the point. These two circles touches externally, and this is their common tangent, and this tangent touches this small circle at P and the bigger circle at Q. So we have to find the length PQ. There is a very important and interesting equation to find the length of PQ. This is 2 under root capital R into small r. We have to calculate this, and this will help us to solve different kind of geometrical problem, and we will show a very interesting problem in second part, how this problem help us to calculate very different and difficult problem within few minutes. Clear? I have already solved this problem, so just check the total calculation. So let BQ 1.2. Remember, when a circle have a tangent and this is the center, if we connect the touch point and with center, then this radius is perpendicular on the tangent. Clearly a picture drawn here. This is a circle, this is a point, this is a tangent, this is a touch point, and this is circle. Connect this. We know this is the basic rule. This radius is perpendicular on the tangent. Okay, this is the idea. We should use this idea. So check, since this is the touch point, so AB, length of AB, this is a straight line, the touch point. This part is radius of a small circle, and this part is radius of capital circle, larger circle. So AB equals capital radius, capital R, radius of capital larger circle. That means this is capital R and this is smaller. So AB is R plus capital R plus smaller. BC, just draw a perpendicular on BQ from a point A. So AC is perpendicular on BQ. So since AP is R, so CQ must be R, as this is a rectangle. So this part R, so this is also R, small r. So BC equals BQ minus CQ. BQ equals capital R, CQ equals small r. So BC, this part equals capital R minus small r. Okay. Now come to the point. In triangle ABC, since this is right angled, that means C equals 90 degree. So ABC is right angled triangle. As per Pythagoras theorem, this is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse square equals base square plus perpendicular height square. So AC square plus BC square equals AB square. We already know it. So AC square means AB square minus BC square. AB, value of AB equals capital R plus small r. So R, capital R plus small r square minus BC, value of BC is capital R minus small r. So this is simple calculation, a plus whole square minus a minus whole square formula. So comes to the point, AC square equals 4 capital R into small r. So we can find the value of AC. This is under root 4 capital R into small r. Square root of 4 2. So this is the value of AC. AC means PQ. Since this is a rectangle, so AC equals PQ. So you can say PQ equals 2 under root capital R small r, which already said. Okay, so this is the rule. We use this in different kind of problem. Okay, thank you.